Hey, it's John, and today we're going to be installing a new drive shaft in my buddy Danny's TJ. Stay tuned and go wheel. Alright, so Danny's flavor of choice for drive shafts was some custom length Tom Woods. He went with the X shaft, just a spline shaft all the way up, and the XC dust shield over the boot, so it doesn't get torn off in the rocks. They're 1310 U-joints. Let's see what it came with. Pretty nice looking. Taped up, nice paint. Came with a little packet. Came with a whole bunch of stickers, but you know, I've been wheeling so long, I don't really like stickers unless it's for my XJ on 40s, tons, Atlas. It's red. All right, so I got the shafts unboxed, and they look beautiful. Nice paint. Both of them have the X splines. That's full splines. Full. Strong. These are 120 wall forged yokes. It came with hardware for the transfer case side, and I decided to get Danny some new straps and U-bolts for the axle ends, because why not? New shafts, new hardware. Okay, so when I'm handling a drive shaft that's out of the vehicle, I like to be super careful not to have the caps fall off. It's like something I do every time I'm doing a U-joint. I drop the caps, bearings go everywhere. Oh, shit. Fuck, dude. All right, so for measuring for drive shafts, I just followed Tom Wood's description on their website. And what I did was take any old tape measure, a good one, Stanley Power Lock's what I like. And you want to measure from flat part of yoke to flat part of yoke. And they say get accurate within a 1/4 inch. All right, before I install Danny's new drive shaft, I'm gonna take this wire brush and some brake clean and clean out the yoke where the U-joint sits, so it sits nice and tight. Stay tuned and go wheel. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this brake parts cleaner. It's the original formula. So I'm in an enclosed space. I can't see because my aviators. I'm just going to spray it on there. That original formula is potent. Seeing some stars, man. It's pretty rad. Oh, let's go clean those up. Get the crap out of there. I don't think there's much in there, but I'm going to scrub it. Scrub it hard. Alright, dude, so I got the drive shaft in, hung, new straps in. So these straps use a half inch nut, which my ratcheting wrench don't fit on, so I'm gonna have to do it by hand. And then up at the transfer case, it uses a 12.8 millimeter. So I'm going to snug these up and then look up the torque values. I think it's like 15 foot-pounds or something. Have to check it out. I'll leave it in the video. For now, I'm just going to snug them. All right, I got the rear drive shaft hung, and so the transfer case side uses 8 mil 12 point, and I got the new straps on. They use 8 mil 6 point. So I'm going to run those down, then torque them. The new Atlas will be ready to roll in Danny's TJ.